hello guys, it's me here, Aplay, and now I want to, well, play some FTP. FTP, yes. And back name is right there, and well, I want to play something now. Let's take that, and well, let's make that our name. My English kinda sucks, because I'm not from England or any place there. Oh, wait, I have a fan on. So, yeah, I'm not from England. I make English game video right now. So, yeah. Yeah. I don't know why this takes so long to load. Normally, it wouldn't take so long to load up this. So, this is my first video with English language, and I don't even care anymore if this sucks or not. Let's now hope that this will work in a couple of minutes. I think it crashed. Let's hope not. Okay. I don't even know how well my mic now works, because a couple of days it's been very bad. Well, I don't even know what to tell. This is my first video, as well, maybe everyone can see and hear about my talking. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. Why do I have two of same books? Well, fuck. There weren't anything good. I know that Minecraft is, well, not so good game anymore, but I like to get played with mods. It's well, kind of my thing. A couple of my friends don't like playing with mods because, well, they are mods and they don't understand some of them. But, well, I learn. And, well, that's it. Oh god. I don't even know why I'm doing this. But I want to tell you this about my country's, well, YouTube thing. We have a couple of big YouTubers, and well, one of them kind of tell us what he thinks about new YouTubers, and well, now that thing has went way too far about that what it was. Nobody didn't care about what he did, but now, well, everyone says that he must quit. Cause he don't give a good critic. He, well, tell us what he thinks. And many of people don't like it, apparently. I think this isn't the right time to make this video. Clock is about 11 o'clock PM. well, it's evening right now. So, and tomorrow, I don't even know. But I'm trying to get this video out tomorrow, when I did make this video. I hope that I can get this out today. I should have taken some drink with me when I'm making video. My throat is very dry right now. But, well, I don't even care about that thing right now. I just want to make a video. That's it. I don't like doing anything with the English language because, well, we don't have English with in our country like primary language or some kind of side language. When some countries have, like Spain, they have Spain and English are their primary languages, but in my country we don't have like it that kind of thing. We speak, well, two countries, yes, two languages, and well, my English sucks pretty much because I'm at eighth grade right now at school, so not more about that. But well, I don't think this is so bad video, but well, I think I want to quit it as soon as I can, but right now I don't want to quit it. Oh god, my throat hurts. Jacket, yes. Oh wait, can I get squid meat? Because I'm playing with mods. I don't even know why I'm doing that. That I play with mods. I think it's right, like that. I have more to do mods than normal Minecraft. And now I want to ask you, what do you want me to play? Because, well, I started right now playing this goddamn Minecraft. So, if you want to say something else, you can ask. And, well, leave a like to that comment if you can anymore. I'm not so sure about that thing anymore. God damn it. Sorry about that silence, but my big sister just walked to she's room, and it's right about beside of my room, and I have door open, so I needed to be silent. Silence. And well, I hope that she didn't hear anything. This is very bad video. I can tell you that. And well, I think I quit it when clock hits about About 21. 21? 23, 23. I want to quit it then. I was about to say 21 then 23, but well. Then I would be quitted this video about 2 hours ago. So I hope that even somebody gets to his head or understands what I'm right now speaking. And well, you can hear that my English is very, very bad. Was that 7th time when I say that? Well, I don't even know what to speak anymore. I had something to say, but I don't anymore remember because I did think everything about 2 hours ago. So yeah. I would say that this video is about that right now over, because I can't anymore say anything. What would yes, that 10, I don't even know. I can't anymore make any sense about my own speaking, so I think it's a pretty good way to tell that quit your video. So it was now this thing. So well, goodbye. Remember to like, dislike, comment, subscribe, and if you are going to comment something what makes sense. I don't like those kind of comments that doesn't make sense, and tell me what game you like me to play. Okay, but it was a play here, and well, bye bye.